Okie dokie. Here we go. Got a couple of phones to replace some stuff on here. Got a battery here for iPhone 6s Plus. I actually just did a screen in this the other, I can't remember if it was the beginning of the week or last Friday, but I had to do it twice because the first one I got, the screen was like not working on part of it, so I double checked, triple checked everything, and I just don't think it was my work, so I got another one and installed it first time, no problems. So I don't have a magnetic mat or any of that other neat stuff that somebody who does this all the time probably has, but we'll start with the battery here first in this one. I also have this older 5 or S or whatever it is. Hopefully the screen I got's the right one for it. It got mangled pretty good. So you can see we're going to attempt to fix that too. And we'll start here with this one. All I have is the tools that came with this kit originally for doing the screen. Ended up with the extra cup because I had to do ordered actually replaced one in another phone before I did this one. So all in all, I've been through 3 of these. I think I forgot to put one of these back in the return screen box, but yeah, can that happen now and then again. One of these I ain't even abused as much as the other, so yeah. And beat up this thing pretty good. Probably should be better than that, but it's alright. I think I'm gonna move us over here to the light a little better. That might be better, huh? Okay. Hopefully this is trying to see where my positioning is here. Trying not to be in the way completely with my hands and whatnot. Let's see what they give us in this box for the battery. What do you know? Just the battery. No tools. Alright. We should be good. Basically did 3 screens with these tools, so as long as you're not hard on them, they'll last. 6S. How about that?
For all the unconventional ways your team stays productive, we've got furniture to position them for success. Because at Office Depot Office Max, our business is to keep business going. Buy online, pick up in store, or get free next business day shipping.
It's not looking right to me. Guess there's only one way to find out.
Just about ready to be picked up. They need a couple parts from us that I'm getting ready to bring over right now. We will finish the final assembly today with our engine for the MR2. So I'm super excited, and we have a lot of things to get done on this part today. But right now we're going to head over to JBR. We're going to pick up our brand new 1400 horsepower plus rated sport front spec aluminum rod K20 engine for the MR2, and hopefully she can do us proud. Oh, shoot.
really nice that if you're doing this and you get this kit and you plan on using it, it only comes with one of these suction cups. So if you can get one off something or save it, it'll really help. Use this, try to get this lip separate here. And this should go easy because I've already been in here and I didn't replace none of that glue. So, alright, we got this in there. We're gonna work the edge lightly, try not to bury it, mess anything up. It's kind of got a thing here to keep you from going too deep with it, but alright, I guess I've done this before and I didn't redo that strip of stuff in there, which longevity probably ain't it good, but we'll see. And then when you're separating this, you don't want to lift much more than that. There's hooks on this end that tuck in to allow it to hinge up this way a little bit. So, and there you go. Alright, you try not want to go too much past 90 degrees with this. And it's the wrong one. I guess I'll get this taken back and we'll order the right one. But since I'm in here, I should probably just get the battery number. So that's disappointing. Get our handy dandy notebook. That's disappointing. Maybe that'll work on the other phone when I open it up here. I'm not going to count on it. I'm not hoping. Maybe we'll get lucky. Oh, what a fool's errand. That's alright. Not a biggie. Make sure everything you're tucked in there good enough, far enough back. Just ease it down in there. Kind of pop in there for you. You can hear it lightly click in. Oh, look at these big hands. Screws in here without losing them. How disappointing.
We're stealing the AC out of these office units right here to help cool down the shop. So
wrong one.
we're definitely talking about upgrading the AC for the shop though, because this area of the shop has no air conditioning. The roof is insulated. It definitely does get a little hot in here. And we haven't seen our hottest of days yet. So we were looking at some units we could probably install and maybe air condition the shop a little bit. But it's not too bad so far. Would you grease her up? WD-40. There you go.
All right.
Things so squeaky.
Trying not to swear is Getting used to that, it's not easy. Alright, so much for that unit. Move on to this bundle of joy here. If this is the wrong screen, I'm gonna throw a fit. Not really, I just be what it be. Oh look, more tools. More of these. Not the best tools. Oh man. Not gonna be it. All right. Well, I guess that'll wrap up this. I guess I'll just use this for the intro after I get the right parts out. I just came back. I can still get this apart and see if I can get a screen number or something to get the right parts. Of course, I don't even know if the screwdriver will. If these tools will work. Yeah, they're working. Here's gonna be a real trick because this screen is really cracked real bad, so. Ooh. Nice. So I just got her to bite in here a little bit. Got her to split. So. Looks like this has been done before because not really holding that hard. Oh, I don't know. Here we go. Nice. Well, at least we have a battery for this. Let's get this suction cup off of here. Alright, you want to be careful not to lose your screws. Not all these screws are the same length in here either, so beware of that.
This helps us out because, like we said before, the transmission is a lot lighter than the engine itself, so there was less weight, almost 100 pounds less over the driver's side tire. So having the turbo as far over that way is going to help the weight distribution on the rear, and that's going to make it super simple to make the exhaust. With it being off to the side like that, the runner does come close, but we have plenty of room just to 90 straight off of the turbo there, and then go straight back out of the rear of the car, and then we'll have it split out 2-hour twin exhaust and keep that. But yeah, that is going to be sweet. And then the wastegate.
Pretty sure that's the only long one in this group. It's this one here. I mean, if you look at it, you can see that the where it screws down to, the threads are immediately like right there, and if you look here, there's a gap, so you can see that it needs a little bit longer screw to fill that in. Alright, and they recommend using this little tool, I think, for popping out these ribbons.
It does make a lot of boost, but this one we're actually going to be running at its fullest potential. At least that will be the idea. Which is going to be insane, because people literally ran mid-190s on this same turbo.
Nice.
So we'll be hauling. That's the plan. Hauling the mail. Dude. Yep. Pretty slick. That looks really sweet.
Here we go. Screen's off.
We get one big engine today.
And this phone hasn't been used for a while.
We're upgrading ourselves, guys, so in case something happens to our new fully built engine.
I don't remember what catastrophically broke this. But I can see there's a screw down here. And it's not off the screen. Oh yeah, it is. It's down here by the button. It's pretty sure it's supposed to be a screw going there. And it's not, it's right here. That's not good. Oh, there's two there, yeah. Wow.
We're going to start with the MR2 because it's going to be the most serious out of all of them. It's going to be the most prone to breaking something. So if something does happen to our new engine,
Some of these larger screws down here. So I know they're at the bottom of the phone. That's the top of the phone.
keep going, and then we fix the other one that broke and just try to keep that cycle repeating.
I'm assuming these two screws are coming from right here on the screen, because the rest of this looks like it seems to be intact for the most part. I'm missing, I don't have a heater with me. Hopefully that's not going to play a role in this, getting this apart okay. You don't want to break the switches, and all this stuff has a light layer of glue on it. Oh, that wanted that to come out first. That's alright. As long as you're not tough on stuff with this, you'd be alright. Let's see, there's a ribbon here for this, for your button switch here, which look at that, that's not even, no glue on it to begin with. Here we go, there's your home button.
Super excited, hope you guys are as well. And we will see you later. Bye.
Cool. Let's move all this up the line here. I also really want to be difficult. Here we go. Oh, come now. That's good. I'll move this up. The button. Keeping everything in order here. So I'm probably going to end up sticking all this to a piece of tape, like trim tape for painting, painter's tape sort of deal. Worked good last time. They all stuck to it fairly good, and I stuck it to a baggie so I could see everything, and then that tape peeled off of that pretty easy. I was a couple of days out on getting stuff for this with the other projects, so This is looking nasty in here. I'm pretty sure somebody had been in here before and didn't do the job right, per se. Maybe it was another guy like me who doesn't do this all the time. But you can see this is all the glue it's supposed to be holding that along the edge. That is just nasty looking. Maybe a smoker had the phone. I don't think any of these ones are different lengths either, but I haven't had this particular kind of phone apart before. Oh, well, I mean, it's still an iPhone, just not this model phone, so get these out all around here and then we'll know. But don't hurt either if you got them. Got one that's stripped out. Probably best off just to put it back in the stripped out spot in case you lost the threads on the screw. Alright, and this will have to go back on the. Why isn't that coming? This ain't got a ribbon on it, does it? Something's askewed here. Wasn't like this on the other one. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and get this off. Why is this stuff sticking to this? Somebody overdo it with the glue? I probably shouldn't keep jabbing this metal screwdriver at stuff in here. Everything's just sticking to it. I don't know why. I don't know how big that's getting that rough with these that needs all that extra stuff hooked to it. Well, I'll save it, but I'm pretty sure we'll get by without getting this rendered back in there. All right, and then you got your camera here, and whatever this is for, I don't know. Just the phone doodad. thingamajig. Alright, this stuff's gonna get me in trouble if I keep messing with it like that. And you gotta be careful of glass shards too. Alright, so here's the camera. And then up here is your, I think they said this, your proximity sensor. Something like that. This is where the heat comes in handy for this stuff. Nice, not bad. All came off. You'll have to put all this back in to the new screen, I'm fairly certain. Alright, there's your camera holder here. This little plastic piece. There you go. It's for, yeah. I'm not sure that was even glued in there or not. It might have just been sitting there. And then there's also one for your proximity deal. And that's a little square deal there. I don't know if you can see it or not that well. Easy one to forget, that's for sure. Let's see where we are in the grand scheme of all this stuff. I think this stuff just all has extra glue spots on it. Yeah, I don't see any other reason or rhyme for that other than to hold the ribbon down. Let's see what we got. There we go. Comes right off now. Nice. Let me look at this again. Man, this glass just keeps falling off my hand here. I mean, it is pretty bad. That's unplugged, that's unplugged. What's with that? I didn't have to take any of these off. Alright, I think that's that. This will just go to the garbage. Yeah, let's just get rid of this for, I mean, when it's recycled, it's properly recycled. Take a look at this battery plug. If I had to guess, man, I would be wrong. That is just a skosh bigger. No, that's not the right one for that either. Okay, so we will be sending this unit back along with this screen. I don't know that the battery is bad in this, but I know that I can take it apart and replace it if I need to. I don't see no indicator. Oh, there we go. Let's not do all this and throw the screen away without writing down the number for it. C3F 55425 F6WLG F6WLG 87-3 L7 dash I guess we'll go under it here since I didn't leave enough room for this large number. A39BS 179 T2 179 T2 Q 44. Well, that's a lot of numbers. All right, now if we can't get it with that, I should just give it up, I suppose. All right. Come back when we got parts. Okay, that took a while. Much longer than it should have. Let's see what we got going on here. I'd say they work pretty good for storage. Interesting. Alright, much better. That last one had scratches and gouges over here. Didn't even have this protective shit on there, stuff on there. And yeah, everything's here on this one. That last one I just ripped apart apparently because it was missing a lot of stuff. So I guess I'll go ahead and get these 7 screws out the way. This one might be messed too. I see a dent right here in the corner. Right out the gate. I'm gonna be upset if I do all this and it don't work. Alright. I really have a pain with getting these screws on. Oh. Boy. Boy. Okay, well that was fine and dandy, but I grabbed the wrong driver here. Well, that's not good. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, hopefully one of those is the right one for the other thing. I almost forgot. Let me grab a toothpick. Ooh. You don't have to use this product, but works good for me so far. Don't need much. I don't think I'm gonna go through the trouble of putting this back on, but we'll see. I doubt it. So this is the camera holder.
Oh. Yeah, let me clean up your breakfast. Always are.
You got $1 million, what would you do?
Spend it a breadless sandwich. I would spend it on lie detector tests.
Well, something more important came up than listening to you. So.
I heard her.
Let's spend it on toasters.
That's a pretty big investment.
Allegedly, this is the text movement. I'm having a brain fart about what it is. Okie doke.
She gets away with any crime that she does. The Queen Elizabeth.
I'm freezing.
Now she gets away with any crime that she does. Because you'll get arrested if you're a cop and you catch the queen doing a crime and then you arrest her. And then you arrest her, guess what? You'll be arrested.
Wait a minute. If Queen Elizabeth is sentenced to life, she spends the rest of eternity there.
Bro, that's why.
Wait, but don't you think they take away her totems?
She hides it in her second hand.
She tried to her what?
Yeah, this
She
is
hides it in
kind of
her
a
second
tricky
hand.
part.
Well, I know. Want me to make you far? Lay down. See this? Lay down.
Proximity sensor is what that is.
Ready to have a big fart?
Okay, so these gotta go in first. In this unit here.
Levi. What? Lay down.
Trying to remember how these go here. I think like that. You can still get them to go even after the fact, but it's kind of hard on your ribbons, so I prefer not to do that. What are you doing with the toothpaste, son? Yeah? I see. Alright, and Trickle E, you wanna try to get this on here the right way?
What are you doing, Phil? I'm gonna wash dishes. Thanks, Phil.
How many pickles you gonna put on there, son? You got 10 already.
Alright, this gets a little difficult. Make sure these ribbons get on right.
I hope you plan on editing that video.
Why?
I didn't even know you were recording.
So? So?
So there's a lot of shit on the background.
Like what?
I don't know. I don't even know because I wasn't paying attention.
Well, if I left the... Because you can't taste anything.
Really could eat some $1 spaghetti right now.
Hey. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh. What are you looking for?
Somebody give me a charger.
What? iPhone?
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh, that's a good sign.
Did you just say uh-oh?
I said, uh-oh, that's a good sign.
Guess he really doesn't.
Yes, I did. Huh?
Guess he really doesn't think about the phone chargers being over there because he doesn't use them.
Dude, that honestly looks like the mini version of my phone, but my phone has the white on the outside.
Because I ordered a different color screen.
Yeah, I know.
The screen was $2 cheaper.
Why is that $2 cheaper?
I don't know.
Because it's black and not white?
I don't know.
Okay, goodbye.
That's
What? Oh, I forgot to hit record. Great. Hey, son, come on.
What?
Get down.
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 What?
You want to spank you?
No.
Get down.
What?
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 You want to spank you?
No.
Get down.
No.
Get down. Ooh!
What was that?
Why don't you land on your feet?
The paint drop. In the paint drop. There's the paint drop.
Right. Ugh.
rock with and throw it back at her?
No, I'm not gonna hit her back.
That way you guys can't freak out your mind.
And that's like, don't tell me, bro. You're just a freaking snitch.
This is like gonna be an obstacle, so it's gonna make it harder for Carrie to
Before that,
take
nothing.
the wood or find the wood.
Nothing. I was just sitting there talking.
Xavier or Ethan, were you there?
It was on the other side of the track. Is my phone done? Dad? Like, can I go charge it?
What do you do?
On the menu.
What?
Can I, go put my phone on the charger?
No, it's chart enables.
No, not here. Over there in the box.
And that's that.